Hello everybody, this is UtkC, you are 14 CS143, and I'm going to explain your basic uh, application over here is the use of functionality called the operate overloading, which overload an operator, which is a form of polymorphism. So arithmetic operators, comparison operators have to be overloaded. So the application which I've got is a matrix, which we have to like dimensional matrices show the functions like equal to for equal to addition and subtraction. So let's see the code for this. So this is a basic console application. Um, so in this particular console application, what we have to do is we give the namespaces. We define a class known as matrix. So in this particular matrix class, we have declared a matrix with two rows and two columns, and we have overloaded the constructor. And so a display function has been basically made, which goes to the number of rows and number of columns, and displays the particular both the matrices which are to be added subtracted using the operator. So the operator which I have overloaded is a plus sign. So basic syntax for operator overloading: public static, the return type which is a matrix, then the operator keyword, and the particular operator which we have to keyboard, which we have to overload, and the matrices which are have to be overloaded are formed. So what we are going to do is if the first we'll if we have to add two matrices, the basic thing is we have to check whether the columns and the rows are similar, which we do. If they are similar, we'll use a simple for loop from 0 to the number of rows and 0 to the number of columns, and add each and every variable and store it. Add and store it in a new array with new matrix type, and we'll return that particular matrix type. Okay, if the now similar thing has been done in the double equal to operator, which have double equal to operator, which we have overloaded. We have declared and checked whether the matrices rows and columns are equal or not. If it is not equal, we return false. So the return type of this particular operator overloading is a boolean type. So all right. Now what we have done is again same thing has been done. We have declared a matrix type E and stored the values. If it is equal, then we store 0. If it is not, then we store 1, which is false. So if the return type is the temporary variable which is tr, if it is 1, that means 2. They are equal by comparing each and every element in the matrix. Now another operator which is we have to overload is not equal to. Same thing has been done, which we have declared a matrix called E, in which we are storing the values whether the particular matrix, comparing each and every values of both the matrices and checking of the C matrix and D matrix, and if it checking if it is true or not. And if it is true, with me temporary variable has been set 1, then we return false, that no, it is not true. It is true that it is not equal, and likewise. Similar as we did for the plus operator, subtraction has been done. But as you can see, the basic operation is over here. By using two for loops, we add and take the difference and use it in a matrix type E and return the matrix type E. Now the explicit and implicit also of overloading has been done. So in implicit operator overloading and explicit operator loading has been done. So similar thing has been done, in which we assign the values of each and every element of E with a value of I which is coming. So for for explicit also we have done what? For explicit, what we're showing is finding out the sum of all the elements of that particular array of the matrices and storing it. So this is the main function where we declare all the matrices and we ask the user to enter the values and we call the respective functions. So let me run the program and show you how it is done. So enter the rows and columns. So 2 rows, 2 columns, enter the values 1, 2, 3, 3. Over here, all the particular functions are called for sum, for difference, for whether it's equal or not, and the resultant array. The for explicit it is matrix is equal or not, and for implicit it is going to find out the sum, which is 20. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.